Good morning, class. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Islamiyat class. Today we are going to know about a very important thing in our lives in Islamiyat, that is about eating and sitting, and all in all about table manners. Yes, I am going to teach you about table manners. Table manners exactly means that how do we eat, how do we do something, and how do we perform our like a lunch or eating activities on our table. Table manners doesn't mean that you need to sit on a dining table. It means you sit on a thing that has been provided us in any way, whether it's on the floor, on a sheet, or anything. So let us start table manners. First of all, tell me, Allah Ta'ala has given us many blessings. You know, He has He has showered many blessings on us, and He has the power to take anything from us. Table manners. So, what is a food? Food is the gift of Allah. We know it well that food is the blessing we are getting from Allah, and He is the one who provided us with the best. So it is a responsibility to take care of His blessings and to thank Him for everything He has given us. So let us start our chapter. We are on unit 14. Week 19 has been started, and just 4 more weeks to go. Then we will be done with our term 2, and inshallah we will be done with this session as well. Table manners. Food is a gift of Allah. He has made all kinds of wonderful things for us to eat and drink. Food gives us energy and health. Islam teaches us to thank Allah for the food we eat. It also teaches us to have good manners when we eat and drink. For sitting down to eat, we must wash our hands. The most important thing that we are not allowed to eat without washing our hands. Sit in a proper and clean place to eat. Eat with your family, eat with your right hand. You have to sit with your family while taking your food. Before starting to, we must say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Begin eating from what is nearest to you on the table. We only take only as much as food as you can eat. Do not waste food. Share food. Eat on time. Eat healthy food like meat, fish, vegetables, grains, and fruit. Drink plenty of water or fresh juice. Now, children, what happens that whenever we are sitting on our tables or dining tables, we used to say, give me that, give me that, give me that. Don't do this at all. Just try to get the things that are nearest to you. When you are done with those things, then ask the other person, your mother, your father, your sibling, or any other person, see them to pass you the food which you want. Don't put your hand or don't stand on the table. This will be called misbehavior. And also try to eat healthy food. Your table should not be decorated with junk food along with the burgers, chips, pizza, and all these things. So healthy food contains fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, grains, and try to drink plenty of water and try to drink water before and between the meal. Never drink water at the end of meal. It will cause many diseases. See in this picture, you have seen the family. There are 4 persons sitting along and they are having good mood and they are talking to one another. What does it mean? And this is a happy family and they are doing everything on their own. Now come on the next picture. This these two pictures they have given you. What are they? One is healthy food and one is unhealthy food. Unhealthy food means the food that has been fried is not never healthy for us. It contains a lot of oil that can harm our body by all means. And these bananas and grapes are the healthiest fruits among all of the fruits because they give us energy, they give us strength, they give us strength to perform well. Avoid unhealthy food like chips and other fast food. Take too many sweets and toffees should not be eaten. Fizzy drinks should not be taken. You are not supposed to drink all of the fizzy drinks, soft drinks. They cannot be good for your health by any means because they can harm your stomach badly. It is always best to sit down when eating or drinking because it is very important that we should sit and drink well, and it is important take to eat anything by sitting. Do not make noises while eating. Do not gulp down food. Try to chew your food. Like we used to put the bite in our mouth and then we do like this. No. Try not to gulp down the food. Try to chew it. Take smaller portion and eat slowly. After eating, wash your hands and brush your teeth. When we finish eating, you must say Alhamdulillah, all praisings to be Allah. Yes, students, it is very important to thank Allah for the things He has given to us because these things are always important for us to live on. Healthy food gives us energy, and healthy food contains many of the vitamins and minerals that our body needs all the time. So, whenever we are taking something that must be healthy, and always take the food from your side. Try not to snatch the things from your siblings, and try not to be so much hungry and do not behave like miser people. Okay, and also remember that food, not only food, everything we are using and we are having with us, and everything we are taking while eating, while running, while taking shower, while drinking, everything is a blessing of Allah or a gift of Allah. So can you please tell me what do we do before coming on our dinner table or lunch table? We should wash our hands. And how to sit? We have to sit in a proper place. Yes. And how to eat? We should have to eat with our family and eat with the right hand. And what do we do when we are sitting on the table? We have we have to take our food that is nearest to us. We are not supposed to jump on the food badly. Do you think wasting food is good? Not at all. Wasting food is not good at all because we have to keep ourselves we have to keep ourselves vigilant about taking any food we are eating because food is the biggest blessing and biggest gift of Allah, and there are many people around us who are dying for food and they never get anything to eat. So always think about them that they are the people, they are not having anything. So we should have to save our food for better people because what are the things that are healthy? Yes. What are the things that are healthy? The things we eat. I am going to show you the image. So, in healthy food, which is your favorite food? In healthy food, I like to eat meat. I like to eat rice. I like to eat what fruits. Fruits are my favorite. Alhamdulillah, I eat so many fruits. And you know, I don't like these burgers and pizzas and these kind of things a lot. I avoid fried items because I know fried items can harm my stomach and it would not be easy for me to carry on my day with the fried item. Fried item makes you unhealthy, fussy, tedious, and you are unable to do anything. So I avoid fried items at all times. I used to eat clean and less and in neat portions because I believe so that eating a lot can harm my health and also harm my skin. You know, we got fresh skin and fresh face when we eat fresh vegetables. Well, I got your picture. I'm gonna show you what are the healthy food and what are the unhealthy. Okay. Now see in the given picture, one side is healthy and the other side is unhealthy food. In healthy food contains salad, milk, watermelon, apple, banana, orange, peas, grapes, and capsicum or bell pepper. It means these all foods are healthy and they give us strength and energy. But on the other side, unhealthy food. There is ice cream, there are cookies, there are popsicles, there are cakes, then baking items, donuts, cookies and cupcakes, muffins, ice creams. These all things are not good for you. Try to avoid them because they can harm you by all means. So this is the food of healthy. These are healthy and unhealthy food chart. I hope that my students will be starting good food. Like they will be starting eating good food now. Okay. And can you please tell me that would you like to bring a okay? You like to bring healthy food with you in future? That's great. I am happy that you are like you also want to have something different with you. Now let us do food is a gift of Allah. Wonderful. 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 ENER, energy. PROPER, proper. Then nearest. NEAREST. What do we say when we start our lunch or eating? We should have to say Bismillah Rahman Rahim and washing hands is necessary for us. Do we have to take unhealthy food? Not at all. We have to take healthy food. And how to eat? We have to take small portions, do not gulp down, and eat slowly. What should we have to do after eating? We should wash our hands and brush our teeth. And what do we say when we are done? Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. These are some of the words you just have to do. Write them on your notebooks or find them. And onwards, you people have to take healthy food in your lunch and ask your parents to make healthy food for you. On the other hand, one more thing I want to say you that you have to make a mini notebook as I have showed you in my arts class. You should have to page healthy food on one side and healthy food on the others, unhealthy food on the other side, and write their names and also write their benefits and their advantages and disadvantages. So children, this is all about our table manners. I hope you people have understood it well and you will be following all of the things I have taught you in this lesson. Regards from my side, take care of you and watch the video carefully for your more information. Take care.